Hello guys, today we're going to do another unboxing. So the unboxing today is another live plants. Okay, so let's open. So,
Hide it a bit.
okay. Oh my gosh, this. Oh my gosh, this is amazing, guys. Look at that. Wow, it's amazing. Okay, I haven't told you yet, guys. This is oh my gosh,
Careful, I will pull it out.
this is pomegranate. I think we need to. I think I need to do this because it's lots of flowers. Wow, just look at that. It's amazing. Oh my god. So this is pomegranate, guys.
The soil is all in the bag. And the soil in the box.
Yeah. So it's pomegranate. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. So this is just leaflet. Oh my cozy. Some of them are already dried. And just look at this, guys. Look at that. Oh my lord. This is pomegranate already. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy. Thank you so much, darling.
You're welcome, my darling.
It's amazing. It's lots of flowers already. So these flowers, it's actually this inside of the flowers is already a tiny pomegranate.
Good.
Oh my gosh. I can't believe this. It's amazing. See, when I'm trying to pull earlier, see what happened? It's limp, so maybe I can cut that later and then try to plant it and it will grow. Oh my gosh, amazing. See, look at how this is opening. And there's lots of tiny things. So that is it's pomegranate. So, oh my gosh, I'm so happy. So this is okay. It's fine. So they're all dried already as well there. So it needs to tidy up. Oh, so there's a dried twigs in here already.
Probably needs watering, but that soil needs to go back in the pot.
Yeah, it's
It might rain tonight, so maybe put it outside.
Yeah, the soil is a bit dry, so it needs watering. So that's why maybe the flowers are falling.
Yeah.
So wow.
It's been in transit for several days, so
Yeah, we don't know
stop.
how long it's in transit. So okay, I'm so happy, guys. Okay, so this is the unboxing for today. This live plants, and I'm so delighted and so happy. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and see you in our next video. Thank you. Tara! Love, love, love.